Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Squeezelite ESP32 on the MUSE LUXE ESP32 speaker. You will be able to stream audio using Bluetooth, stream audio using Airplay, stream audio with Spotify, and even more. If you install a local server, you will be able to use a Logitech media server to stream audio file locally. And if you install the Logitech media server, you will also be able to do all this to send audio using UPnP, Sonos, Chromecast, and more. So we are Raspi Audio, and we are the manufacturer of this speaker, this hackable speaker, because it's based on ESP32. So as you have a phone, you can download any app on it using an App Store or Google Play. So we have the same, almost. So using simply a Chrome browser, you can select your device and select the application you want to upload to it. All right, so let's get started. I am not involved with the Squeezelite project. I'm just giving you some instruction how to do it. For this specific device, ESP MUSE LUXE. So go on this web page and open the URL using Chrome browser. This will not work with some other browsers. You take the MUSE LUXE, and you connect the USB-C cable like this, and you turn it on. So once connected and turned on, you go back on this web page and you click on Connect to Device. And you will see one is called CP104 USB to UART. You click on Connect. It will reset the device, and then you could install. And you click on Erase Device and Next. Are you sure? Yes. Then it will take it erasing, and it will take maybe like 2 minutes. So I will pause the video. I will just start installation complete. So I could click on Next, and I could click on Logs and Console, and I would click on Reset. This is not mandatory, but this will allow us to see what is happening now. So your device, ESP MUSE LUXE, is starting. And as you see, it is broadcasting a Wi-Fi with a... So we'll do that. So if I open my Wi-Fi networks, you will see one called Squeezelite. What is it? Wait, yeah, Squeezelite. And then you connect to it. The password is Squeezelite in lower capital. Next. Should be connecting to it. Then you need to type in this URL, 192.168.4.1. And right now you are connected to the MUSE LUXE, running the Squeezelite ESP32 software. So you need to set up your home Wi-Fi password. To do so, you click on the Wi-Fi network from your home or office, and you type in your password. Okay, and you click on join. Right now it is connecting to your network. Takes a few seconds. And then if it's successful, you will find the IP address where you can connect to. So we'll type in this address in the URL bar. But before you do so, be sure to be connected back to your Wi-Fi network, your home Wi-Fi network, not the network of the speaker. So I will connect to this address. Okay, and right now you are connected on the device through your local Wi-Fi. So from there already, you will be able to have access to Spotify using the plugin C-Spot, Bluetooth, and AirPlay. So Bluetooth is very simple. You will see on the list of your local Bluetooth. We are going to try the three options. So first, Bluetooth, because it's very simple. I will add a device. This is on Windows, on a Windows machine, but it could be done on any machine. Well, it's not funny. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to first click on Exit Recovery here. So it will reboot. It will take like 2 minutes, or maybe not even 1 minute. I don't know if you heard that there's a little click when it's rebooting. And from there, I should be able to detect the Bluetooth network. Yeah, you see it, ESP32 Bluetooth. If you want to change the name, you just need to go in the menu and you will find it. You find it somewhere. So I say connect to it, and your device is ready to go. So already, so then if I open my Windows settings, it's available as a Bluetooth device. I could play any music.
Introducing the new Mega Amp, our latest innovation in Raspberry Pi audio sound cards.
All right, so it's okay for Bluetooth. Well, for AirPlay, you will need an Apple device connected to your local network, your Wi-Fi. This is a PC, so I will borrow the iPhone of my coworker. So on your iPhone, you will see ESP32 something. You connect to it, and then you could launch your usual YouTube video or whatever. You could increase the volume. That's it. And then for Spotify, I'm just using the Spotify app, and it's only available with a premium account. But if you do connect to a device, you will, if you are on the same Wi-Fi network, you will see your device here. So you click on it, and then you take any artist. I'm recommending this artist. You should check it out. This is Marion Rampal. It's a French artist. Anyway, that's it. I mean, streaming some local files and streaming some internet radio. So to do that, you will need first to download the Logitech media server. I will put the link in the description. Then I will move myself here. Then here, well, okay, anyway. So here, you will find the little icon. And you double click to start the server. And to start the web interface, you right click on it and you click on Open Web Control here. So on the top right corner, this is all your devices. So this is Squeezelite devices. And on the left side, those are all the different possible sources for audio. So you could just stream a local radio. I hope I will not go on copyright material. You could choose what type of stream you like to play. So we'll say MP3. They could all play in sync. Actually, I think also Airplay can do that, and maybe Spotify as well. Anyway, so you could stream some different radios, and you could also stream some local content. So, but I will not go in detail about that because I will do another video just dedicated to the LMS capability. So that's it. This is the end of this quick video. So with the MUSE LUXE, here, this is kind of an universal way to stream audio content locally, or using Spotify, using Bluetooth, or using Airplay. Thank you. Bye-bye.